Welcome to my channel, all my crafty friends. If you have trouble with wrinkles when decoupaging napkins, stick around. I have your problem solved. I'm going to show you how to use water to make those wrinkles disappear. If you're ready, let's make a mess. Napkins are one of the hardest things to decoupage. They always get tons of wrinkles and tear. Today I'm going to show you a different way to get them on your projects. I'm cutting out one of the squares of this napkin since that's all I'm going to need for this project. I'm removing some of the background with scissors first, then I'll get even closer with a water brush. The first thing I'm going to do is separate the layers. Napkins normally have 2 to 3 layers. We're only going to use the top layer that has the print on it. I'm using the water brush to remove as much of the white as I possibly can. I'm getting very close to the design. The more of the background you can remove, the better your design will look. Trying to decoupage large pieces make your napkin more prone to wrinkles. Remove as much as you can. If you don't have a water brush, you can use a paintbrush and some water. You'll get the same results. Make sure to tear your napkin. A cut edge won't blend nicely with your background. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. It's fun to see what cities and countries you are all watching from. I'm filming from Las Vegas, Nevada in the United States. I'm cutting up a Ziploc bag so that I have one layer. I'm laying my design on the plastic, printed side down, and adding some Mod Podge to my plaque. I already pre-painted it since this tutorial is all about decoupaging and not painting. Paint your background a light color, like white or cream. Dark colors will show through your napkin and make it look muddy. Now I'm spraying water all over the napkin, quite a lot of it. Today, water is going to be your friend. The water makes the napkin expand, which is a good thing. When it dries, it will shrink back to its original size, and when it does that, it'll pull out all the wrinkles. I'm moving the napkin around a little bit in the water, delicately pulling out some of the wrinkles that were caused by the napkin expanding from the water. Now I'm turning the napkin and plastic over, and I'm going to lay it down on the plaque. The water is holding the napkin, so it's not going to fall. Since the plastic is clear, you can easily see where you need to put your design. After it's on the plaque, I'm smoothing it out with a napkin in all directions. This removes any bubbles or wrinkles that may still be there. The water and Mod Podge mix together and make a strong bond with your napkin. If you're enjoying and finding some value in this video, please hit that like button for me. Doing so helps my channel to grow and sends this video to more people out there. That way I can continue to bring you awesome tutorials. Thanks for doing that. Now the plastic can be lifted up and there should be little to no wrinkles. If there are some really tiny ones, they will disappear when the napkin dries because it'll shrink. I'm working on some great projects for the upcoming weeks. I'll be doing some decoupage, more 3D air dry clay, and mason jar decorating. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. If you see any wrinkles that you still want to smooth out, you can lay a clean corner of the plastic down and continue to rub the napkin. Don't do it with your fingers without the plastic. It will definitely tear your napkin. And there are no wrinkles. This is so easy if you just take your time. Now I'll let this dry for an hour or so. Once the Mod Podge dries, you can use some sandpaper to cut away all the excess that's hanging over the edges. The sandpaper leaves a nice, sharp, clean edge. And there are absolutely no wrinkles on this plaque. I'm going to have to make something out of this. It really turned out pretty. I put together a playlist of some other tutorials you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking my picture in the top right corner so you don't miss any future videos.